हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल Kidsy Fun. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for gun, H for honey, I for ink, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for pen, Q for queen, R for red, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watermelon, X for Christmas tree, Y for yak, Z for zebra. Thank you बच्चों.